Hey y'all, give me a minute, I'm doing something. Fit ain't here. Good. Oh, Big Kitchen ain't here. I was hoping B would come. Guess who is here though? Lucy, you're late. Sorry. Did you get Barbara's file? How you doing, Magic WigMaker? I'm checking just now. Oh, I found a problem. And it ain't my fault. Magic WigMaker! I think something's wrong. What is it? Well, here on your next appointment, Miss Barbara, it says she's 75. And? I ain't know we get no transformation makeover on nobody 75. Lucy, my facelift technique will make her look at least 10 years younger. You gonna make her look 10 years younger? Start the segment, Lucy. Yes, ma'am. Barbara is 75 years young. She has asked me to give her a transformation makeover that will make her look years younger. I wanted to make Barbara a hair unit that would blend in with her own color and texture. I'm going to give Barbara's hair a preliminary cut, then add a chemical texturizer to make her hair more compatible with the texture of her finished unit. Before I install Barbara's hair unit, I want to give her a facelift. Yes, a facelift. It's a technique that I just designed myself when I started to get wrinkles in my face and sags. I did Barbara's facelift off camera, but don't worry, you can still see the technique. Just click in the description below. This is Barbara before. And after. If you want to see how I made this beautiful hair unit from a straight synthetic wig, click on the link in the description. Barbara is now ready for her makeup application. And let me tell you everyone, I am not an expert at all with applying makeup. I love doing it and I want to do it for my clients. After I've installed their hair, I want to be able to apply their makeup so I have a gorgeous finished look. You look real good. Real younger now. Wait, we ain't took your picture yet. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe before you leave. Then come